In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a countdown widget in Notion. So, let's dive right in and get started. We're going to use a handy tool called Indify to create our countdown widget. It's a free platform, and the setup is really simple. You can either sign up using your email or just link it with your Google account, whatever suits you best. Once you're all signed in, take a moment to explore the Explore Widgets section, specifically Volume 2. Here, you'll find the countdown widget we're looking for. Click on Create Widget to begin your journey to customizing your own countdown. Start by giving your widget an appropriate title, perhaps marking a special occasion or event. For example, you might want to call it 25th birthday. As you move on to the next screen, you'll set the specifics of your event by entering its name and the exact date and time for your countdown. And just like that, the widget preview will automatically give you a glimpse of what it will look like. Now, this is where the real fun begins. You have a variety of customization options at your fingertips. You can choose to toggle on or off specific time elements like months, weeks, or years, especially if you'd prefer to display just the days, hours, and minutes. Not a fan of the seconds ticking away? Go ahead and hide them too if you'd like. For those wanting a streamlined appearance, there's an option to remove the to-go text and even center the text to achieve your desired visual balance. Additionally, you have control over the aesthetic aspects, adjust the title size, and experiment with background, text, and accent colors. Whether you choose from the default options or use the color picker for something more personalized, it's all in your hands. Once you're happy with your customization, the next step involves clicking on the clipboard icon. This action will copy the widget link, which is crucial for the next phase. Transition over to your Notion page, where you'll want to simply type Embed. Paste the link you just copied, then click Embed Link. After a few moments, you'll see your countdown widget appear right there on your Notion page. To ensure it fits just right, feel free to drag the edges and resize it as needed. And the best part? This countdown will automatically update each day, sparing you any additional steps or maintenance. That's all there is to it. You've now successfully added a countdown widget to your Notion workspace, making it not only functional, but also visually engaging. Happy customizing!